Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming the account and payment details so the cancellation targets the right subscription. Open the Noom app or sign in on the website. This matters because in-app and web flows differ. Once done, navigate to your profile or settings immediately to access subscription controls. Make sure your app is updated and connected to a stable network. If you use multiple devices, pick the one where you manage billing. This avoids accidental cancellations of the wrong account. You now locate the subscription controls: profile, settings, then subscriptions or manage subscription. Tap the active plan, then choose cancel and follow the in-app prompts. Noom often asks why, so answer briefly and continue. Once you confirm, watch for any pop-up offers. These don't prevent cancellation but can delay closure if you accept one. Make sure you note the final billing date shown. That determines access until the subscription fully ends and whether a refund window applies. You finish by verifying the cancellation. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and confirm the subscription status in settings. If you don't see a cancel option, you may have subscribed via the App Store or Google Play. Open those stores and cancel there, or contact Noom support directly with transaction details. If you're charged after canceling, request a refund immediately and save screenshots and receipts. This evidence speeds resolution and protects you against unwanted renewals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.